Hello dear students. In today's class we'll see four more problems from the chapter linear equation in one variable. Let's start. These questions are from exercise 3.5 and under the heading equation reducible to a simpler form. First we have to multiply LCM both sides in LHS as well as RHS. The LCM of 4, 3 and 3 is 12. Let's multiply 12 both sides. I am not writing sentence but I want you to write it. Multiply LCM is equal to 12 both sides. I am multiplying now. 3t minus 2 divided by 4 into 12 minus 2t plus 3 divided by 3 into 12 is equal to 2 by 3 into 12 minus t into 12. Now 4 ones are 4 threes are 3 ones are 3 fours are 3 ones are 3 fours are. I'll put this in the bracket. Multiply 3 with this bracket. 3 threes are 9. T as it is. 3 twos are 6. Now 4 twos are 8 into t. 8t, it will be minus 8t. Then 4 threes are 12. Minus is here, so it will be minus 12. Simultaneously we are opening the bracket also. Minus into plus, minus, minus into plus, minus. 4 threes are 12 is equal to 2 fours are 8 minus t into 12 minus 12t. Now rearrange variable and constant. 9t minus 8t will be t. Transfer minus 12t to left hand side, it will be plus 12t is equal to this 8 as it is. Transfer minus 6 to right hand side, it will be plus 6. Then minus 12 also to right hand side, it will be plus 12. Now t plus 12t is 13t is equal to 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 12 is 26. Now t is equal to 26 divided by 13. This is coefficient. When you transfer, it will be in division. 13 ones are 13 twos are. So t is equal to 2. This is the answer for this question. T is equal to 2. Now let's see the sixth question. The LCM of 2 and 3, these two denominator is 6. We have to multiply 6 both sides. M into 6 minus m minus 1 divided by 2 into 6 is equal to 1 into 6 minus m minus 2 divided by 3 into 6. 2 ones are 2, 3s are 3 ones are 3, 2s are. Now m into 6 is 6m. 3 into m is 3m. Minus into plus is minus, so it will be minus 3m. Now minus into minus is plus. 3 ones are 3 is equal to 1 into 6 is 6. Minus into plus is minus. 2 into m is 2m. Minus into minus is plus. 2 into 2 is 4. Now 6m minus 3m is 3m. Transfer minus 3m to left hand side, it will be plus 2m is equal to 6 plus 4 is 10. Transfer plus 3 to right hand side, it will be minus 3. Now 3m plus 2m will be 5m is equal to 10 minus 3 is 7. Now m is equal to the 7 as it is. When you transfer the coefficient, it will be in denominator. Our answer is m is equal to 7 divided by 5. Now next question, that is question number 7. Let's open the bracket first. 3 into t is 3t and 3 into minus 3 is minus 9 is equal to 5 into 2 is 10 and this t as it is. 5 ones are 5. Then transfer 10t to left hand side and minus 9 to right hand side. We are rearranging variable and constant. 3t, when you transfer 10t, it will be minus 10t is equal to this 5 as it is. Transfer minus 9 to right hand side, it will be plus 9. 3t minus 10t is minus 7t is equal to 5 plus 9 is 14. Now t is equal to minus 14 divided by 7. I transfer this minus also to right hand side. When you transfer minus 7, it will be in division minus 7 and division of different sign is minus. I am taking directly minus here. 7 ones are 7 twos are. T is equal to minus 2 is the answer. Now let's do 8th one question. Let's solve it. First we will open the bracket. 15 into y is 15y. 15 into minus 4 is minus 60. Then minus 2 into y is minus 2y. Minus 2 into minus 9. Minus into minus is plus. 2 nines are 18 is plus, 5y is a 5 into y, 5y. 5 nines are 45 is equal to 0. Now let's solve the variable and constants. Here we have 3 like terms of y. 15y plus 5y is 20y. 20y minus 2y will be 18y. Now plus 18 plus 45 will be 63. 18 plus 45 plus 18 plus 45 will be plus 63. Plus 63 minus 60 will be plus 3 is equal to 0. Now 18y is equal to minus 3. Now y is equal to minus 3 divided by 18. Transfer 18 to right hand side, it will be in denominator. 3 ones are 3, 6 are. Y is equal to minus 1 divided by 6 is the answer. I hope you understood all the 4 problems. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel Mathematics Classes. Thank you for watching.